everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you've been with me for a while, and welcome to me up to something new. Not exactly new, but not typical of me on this channel. I haven't done this in a long time. I plan and journal in a variety of things. It's whatever floats my boat in a minute, whatever mood that I'm in. And lately, just because of what's going on in my work life right now and other things I've been doing, stuff I have or haven't had time to do, I've been doing my planning and journaling in this setup, which this cover is a Chic Sparrow Colonel Brandon, and I love this cover. It just feels so yummy. He just feels so smooth. He's like a clean shaven man. But I have plumped him up. He is a B6 Slim, and I have shoved about everything in him that I possibly can. So because this was getting a little obnoxious, I did a thing. So what is that thing, Lisa? Can you guess? Can you guess? I ordered a new Chic Sparrow cover, and I haven't done one of these unboxings in a very long time. So I thought I'd bring you along with what I got, since this is maybe just as much a treat for you as it is me. And I don't know about you, but even in preparation for purchasing this cover, I watch a lot of videos when I'm considering what cover will suit me, what I'm in the mood for, what I like, what's going to serve the purpose at that moment. So I watch a lot of the YouTube videos out there of unboxings, and that's partly what led me to what I've got here. Now let's get everything out. Sorry, I just bumped you. Ooh, didn't want to let go of it. So when you get your package, you get your receipt, and what's great about this is it reminds you what you ordered. So we'll go over that in a second. They are kind enough to put a silica gel pack in there to keep your TN nice and dry. I'm going to toss that right now. And you get a lovely sticker. So this one, oh there go the dogs. I may need to pause, but there's the sticker that I got. And then this card is a keepsake and your product warranty, so you can fill it out as your proof of purchase. You can remind yourself what you purchased when and keep that on file so that you have that should anything happen. Now, what I ordered is an Austin number 10 Emma. It's a size B6, so I went up what in my brain is a half a size. And I did add antiquing to the cover, and I asked for the, what do they call them? Cup rings on the front of it, and the shooting stars, what they call the shooting stars on the front and the back. So I'll show you what that means. So it always comes wrapped so beautifully. And I like to use the paper, so I'm careful. And sometimes I put the sticker in my planner as a reminder of, or my journal as a reminder of what I got. But isn't that fun? Really clever and cute. So here is the dust cover that it comes in. So let's see what it looks like. And here is the number 10 Emma. I love this. This is, I'm not even kidding. This is precisely what I had in my head. Somehow, I mean, you write what you want, but that can be interpreted in different ways. Ugh, this is perfect. Oh my goodness. This is, now the snap is going to be, I don't know, tight or a little more difficult to snap and unsnap for a while, but that'll break in. Oh, can you imagine this as it patinas? How extraordinary this is going to look. oh, this is precisely what precisely what I wanted. Look at this. Oh, yum, yum. Don't you just love that crunchy noise? Listen. My husband likes to pick on me and says I should work in a saddle shop. I'd be in heaven. Oh, gosh. Now let me see the smell. You know what's interesting is it has just a very slight leather scent. I don't smell a chemical at all, which I kind of wondered with the antiquing if it would have a chemical scent, but I don't get that on it. But yeah, my Colonel Brandon, after having him for, goodness, I don't even remember how long ago I got him. It's been a while. But I smell him more strongly than I smell this. You know what? Let's set it up. Let's do that. So we're going to strip the Colonel. Poor fella. You'll get taken out another time when I've reduced my size, which will likely happen. I'll get tired of having a chubby bubby. Let's take everything out. I love these things, by the way. These are Mr. Pen round sticky notes, and they come on this. You can do a rigid edge for tearing. These are great. I highly recommend. And this here is my planner right now that I'm using. It is a Jibun Techo Biz, which is more, let me show you. It's more muted. The regular Jibun Techo has more colors, pastels in it, and that's just really not my jam. But the paper on this, you guys, this is my first Jibun Techo. This is the Mio, I believe, paper. It's glorious. It is so smooth. I'm kind of addicted to it. So I'm trying this planner out, and I am really loving it. So this is my planner, and I'm using it for work and for personal use, and it's actually working well. Times past, I always used to separate the two, but I got tired of multiples. This is just my notebook. This is one of the Jibun or Kokuyu idea books. As is this is my my daily, this gets daily use and abuse. This is usually my schedule for the day. I like to have that right in my face, my to-dos, and then all the calls that I need to make. I do sales, so there's always a lot of calls. And then this is, you saw in this how I am dating all of these, but I discovered these from, what's it called? Yellow Paper House. And I'm going to give this a try. I think it'll work out okay. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll come back and tell you how it's rolling. This is my Nanami Cafe note. This is right now my prayer journal, my thoughts journal, my personal tracking of things. So in essence, this book or this notebook is my brain, all on paper in one notebook. And it works out really good for me. Now, one thing to point out, if you ever do try a Jibun Techo, let's see, is they come with these plastic covers. And the plastic covers do not usually fit well in a notebook cover unless you go really extra big. And I'm just not going to do that. So let me slide this little guy in here. It usually takes a little encouraging, but I got it in the slim, so it should work in here. And it does beautifully. Oh, yummers. Just trying to train the leather. I know. Training already. And this is my Nanami Cafe notes. This will slide in here very easily. And that I can keep the plastic cover on because it's what I consider true B6 size. This is probably about a 1/4 inch higher Let me tuck this back in here. We have a wedding coming up. I like to keep those things in there. And this is my upcoming calendar. Woohoo. That'll go here. Come on, Lisa. Get more coordinated. And this, I like to keep a dashboard on. No particular reason, because I like to put sticky notes on it, and yeah, I've got some on here. Just becomes my, like a parking spot for me. And then this is my Kikuyo idea notebook. Whoop, come on, there we go. Now for the moment of truth, let me bend this a little bit, because I'm trying to get it to curve well. It will take a little bit of training. The Colonel needed a little bit of training, but eventually he got there. But, oh, that fits perfectly. And now it's not right up to the edge. I personally like a little bit of space. Oh my gosh, just look at this. I'm just crazy about it. Now, where to put the pen? I could either, let me get this snapped. I could either put it on here, or I can, on the Nanami cover, there is a pen holder. Let's see how this works though, because this is a uni Jetstream, and it's got that rubbery end on it. Oh, that went in there wonderfully. Now let's shut it up. Oh, let's put those in. I forgot half my load here. Let's put these guys in. I love having those handy. Isn't this cute? This is my little Maltese die cut. I have a Maltese dog. I don't remember where I got that. I've got some stickers like that too, and it is just completely escaping me where I got that. And this can go in there. That's an upcoming appointment. And then this is a sterling ink card, which I'm going to put this over that. Need not see the appointment. I'd rather see the pretty. There. I am pretty much in love. We'll get him trained. Wow, I don't have a name for it. I've been calling my other one the Colonel so much, I don't know what I'll call this one. Also, let me show you, I am going to do some destashing because it makes me sad to part with my planner covers or TNs, but by the same token, if they're not being used, then they deserve the opportunity to be loved by someone, right? So this is a Chic Sparrow B6 Crème that is in very good condition. And if you're interested in any of these, you can reach out to me and we'll figure something out. It just has some awesome, I wonder, can you see that? It has some awesome, like, whoops, little wrinkles on here, some little scars. I have loved this cover. So this is a B6 4-string Crème with the pockets. This is a pocket-sized Crème. This one is a little softer feeling than the other one. Gosh, they smell good. Then this one is just, it's a soft little honey. And again, 4 strings. This has a pen loop and secretarial pocket here. This is a fun, this just feels so good in hand. Very good in hand. These are Chic Sparrow covers. Oh gosh, I tell you, from a tactile perspective, this is beyond yummy. Can you just see that suede feel? 4 strings, about a 1-inch spine, stitch spine. It's got a wonderful pocket. This is a Flan. And this size, doggone it, I should have looked this up first because I'm blanking. It is not passport size. What do you call that size? Okay, hold on, because I wonder, oh, I don't have it in here. Shoot. Yeah, but if you're interested, inquire with me, and I'll tell you for sure what the size is, because I am completely drawing a blank. But this is in wonderful condition. I've hardly used it. It's a shame. It's a shame, and it smells marvelous. This one, this TN is so hard for me to part with. This is a Harriet B6 Slim pocket notebooks. This is a 6-string, 2-inch, not quite 2-inch. I would say an 1.75 inch spine. It's a Harriet, and it is beyond yummy. This, from a tactile perspective, is my favorite TN cover. I love the smell of it. I love the feel of it. I love the size of it. I love the texture of it. I love this hide, soft, marvelous pocket on the front. But you guys, what's sad is I just am not using it. I have kept this for quite a while without parting with it, and I've just finally told myself that it's not doing any good just sitting in my stash. But someone can have it and love it, but use it more than I have. And yeah, it's just, oh God, I've just got to put it aside. But if you're interested, let me know. I hope that you find the unboxing helpful if you're considering a new TN cover. Again, this is a Chic Sparrow Emma number 10 with some antiquing on it. Oh, I was going to tell you, this is what they call the shooting stars. And of course, these are the cup rings. So that to them is a shooting star. To me, it's a big splat. God, I love that. All right. Again, thanks for joining me. If you like what you see, a lot of times what I'm doing is making journals. But if you'd like to see more of this or more of more planning videos or journaling videos, let me know in the comments down below. Click like or the thumbs up for like and hit subscribe. You'll be sure to then be notified whenever there is a new video with Junk Journal Gems. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a great day.